In these difficult times, we're taking your health seriously. Until further notice, Thompson is offering a no-contact service option with a thorough sanitization of your vehicle's interior. It starts with our no-contact drop-off. Pull into our service valet, leave your keys in the car, and proceed inside to speak with a service advisor from a safe distance. As you relax in our spacious, regularly sanitized service lounge, our specially trained staff will take every precaution for their safety and yours by utilizing personal protective equipment. Our current policy is to limit occupancy of the department to no more than 10 people at any given time. We will clean and sanitize your vehicle's door handles, steering wheel, and shift knob with products designed to be safe for the interior. When your vehicle is ready, we offer online bill pay with no signatures required, so there is no need to handle paper or pens. With Thompson's no-contact service, you can enjoy your properly maintained vehicle worry-free.